If you are stressed, if your audience is stressed, if your dog is stressed, you are probably searching for meditation content and crying into your coffee. This new Guided Meditations PLR bundle says, stop stress, make money, help people relax, all without recording your own voice while neighbors drill holes in the wall. Let's find out if this thing actually delivers. Kamal here from testedapps.com. 6 years as an affiliate marketer, tested more tools than NASA has buttons. I only recommend products that help you make real money online, not imaginary guru money. This is my honest review, zero fluff. Quick heads up, grab this through my link below and I am giving away exclusive bonuses to help you get traffic and sales faster. Details waiting in the description. This is a done-for-you guided meditation PLR package. Professionally written scripts, real human voiceover, studio quality audio, matching videos for YouTube and social media, and full resale and rebranding rights. The whole point is simple. You publish, your audience relaxes, you look like a meditation business genius. 3 very easy moves. Step 1, download the meditation kits. Zero tech headaches, not like installing a rocket engine. Step 2, rebrand if you want. Upload to YouTube, sell them, package them in courses, add them into coaching, whatever fits your business. Step 3, sit back and watch your brand authority grow. And yes, income too. No studio costs, no writing scripts while battling creative meltdown, no recording your voice like a sleepy robot. Here is where it gets spicy. 5 complete meditation kits. Each has human recorded guided meditation in MP3, full version, voice only, and music only versions. Professionally written meditation scripts, so you can edit or translate anytime. 2 videos per meditation, one for YouTube, one for TikTok and Reels, because attention spans are shorter than a tea break. Camtasia source files, if you want to tweak branding. Exclusive PLR license, limited copies, not like those cheap PLR files shared by half the planet. Plus, each meditation includes 50 journal prompts and 50 affirmations. That means crazy high value for your buyers and super easy content for your social media. Meditations included loving kindness, yoga nidra sleep, self-compassion, energy cleanse, nature visualization, all built for real beginners and real busy people. This front end is only $7 during launch. Do you know what $7 buys these days? Half a sandwich. Hiring a voice actor alone would cost you $40. Studio mastering, another $80. Scripts, $30. Videos, $50. Total over $250 for just one meditation. Here, you get 5. Owning an entire mindfulness product line for the price of cheap noodles is ridiculous.
Are you looking for an easy way to break into the meditation industry? Perhaps you have customers or clients that could benefit from meditation as well. What if I told you that right now you could grab a set of guided meditations capable of transforming your audience's life, all for bottom dollar? How about if you could not only use those guided meditations to benefit your customers, but also generate tons of viral traffic, all while monetizing them, however you see fit? Well, now you can. Here at Bite Size Content, we've recognized not just a need for high-quality guided meditations as a means for changing people's lives, but also a demand for this kind of product with private label rights. That's why we took the time to put together an entire kit of multiple, comprehensively unique meditations, all so you can utilize the audio and video to its maximum potential. Here's just some of what you can do with these meditations. You can post them on any social network or video platform. You can distribute them within your own product or services. You can establish yourself as an authority when it comes to meditation. You can use them to generate viral assets that will drive traffic effortlessly. To top it all off, you get the private label rights license along with this package. So not only can you use these meditations for your own benefit, but you can easily distribute this very same package with personal use rights and expand the quality of your services time and time again. You'll receive an entire kit, including things like the audio, multiple video orientations, scripts, and even journal prompts and affirmations. This means you will have everything you need to utilize this package as soon as possible. Just learn all of the details and secure your copy on the page below.
There are optional upgrades, not required, but pretty useful depending on your plan. OTO1, marketing expansion with 50 extra content modules, affirmation videos, quote images, journals, squeeze pages. If you want leads and authority fast, this one makes your life easy. OTO2, reseller PLR license. You get the entire product, sales page, thank you page, graphics, and the right to sell the main offer like your own. This is my top pick for building a real product business. OTO3, 100 short micro meditations, perfect for TikTok, Shorts, Reels, great for traffic. OTO4, 30 more guided meditation kits for niche audiences like entrepreneurs and nurses. That is giant industry money. OTO5, lead magnets for list building, great if you're starting fresh. Pick based on your plan, not based on FOMO panic. I have seen horrible PLR. Trust me, I have flashbacks, robotic voices, music that sounds like aliens invading. This one is different. Human voice, high quality mastering, scripts that feel calming, videos that are polished, and the topics are proven winners in the mindfulness niche. I ran the nature visualization meditation, felt like I took a vacation without leaving my chair. This is not a magic ATM. You still need to upload the content, promote it, position yourself as the go-to authority in wellness. It's also not ideal if you hate meditation or if you only want software that prints cash while you sleep. If you want a real digital product business in a giant market, this fits perfectly. Imagine having a full library of guided meditations that people thank you for sharing. Imagine building a list, selling wellness products, helping stressed humans relax, and earning passive income. This is the moment to take action. Price will increase, and licenses are limited. Do not pay full price later when you can lock it in today for just $7. Link below. Get inside before the timer hits 0. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to everyone. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe for more real reviews and honest money-making tools. Kamal from testedapps.com, signing off. Time to help the world chill out, starting with your business.